Hi everyone, it's Bob Schaefer, your headmaster here at Liberty Commons School. Just wanted to make some comments about our playground overhaul and the need for it. So this whole section of our playground was shut down for about 2 weeks. There was caution tape wrapped around us, and the reason is a bolt right back here snapped. And we're seeing this throughout the structure. I mean, it looks kind of nice when you drive past it, but this is a good example of why it needs to be replaced. There was a bolt that snapped, and it took a long time for us to figure out how to extract it. Mr. Montez heated it, drilled it out. He eventually did replace it, and it's just back in operation now. But this became unsafe during one of the school days until it was discovered as this was flopping down and kids were climbing on it. And that happens from time to time. Over on the swing set, we had a similar event. In fact, if you look right down here, you can see in several places the laminate is delaminating. You've got exposed metal throughout. These are little pinch opportunities for fingers and toes to get pinched in here. That happens from time to time. And so I could take you all through here and show you little things that you don't see when you're walking past quickly, but all these examples of delaminating are taking place. Kids trip over it and so on. So I mean, it looks like a nice playground, but the substrate down here on the bottom is out of playground code, and so that needs to be replaced. And there are other examples like that throughout. That this was an excellent playground 15-20 years ago and structure, but yeah, look over here. Yeah, you can see more taking place here. All this cracking that is occurring and rusting, and some of these bolts have just become pinch opportunities and little hazards. It's not dangerous on a day-to-day basis. This would do for another 3 or 4 years, but we're trying to raise money to just replace the whole thing, get it done now so we can be ahead of this expense, which is going to become a necessary one if we wait that long. And we're this close on our fundraising goals for the Let Them Play campaign. We're going to replace put lights on Everett Field right over there, and inside here we're going to get new basketball hoops and backboards and improve our situation there. But that's what we're raising the money for. We're this close, and so the event coming up here for our outing over at CSU at the stadium over there is going to be a fun event and a great opportunity to raise the final dollars to just get all this done. So please be there. It's going to be a ton of fun, and the importance of it all is hopefully rather obvious, and we appreciate your support for the school.